Hey guys, so we had a snowstorm last night, right? We got about almost 1 foot of snow, and it's a real winter wonderland. If you look right in there are the deer looking for food over in the snow. They're looking at me. They're not spooked yet, but they're looking at me, and they might be running away soon. But I see 1, 2, 3, I see four deer looking for food out in the snow. There they go, they're running now. Okay, they just got a little spooked. There's one over there in the bush. It's sort of camouflage in the trees. And there's another 3 over here. So it's not a big herd. There he goes. And there they are. Yeah, they're looking at me. But they're looking for food as well in the snow. Lots of snow last night. Guys, this is Stevie Walkabouts. Welcome. And there they go, they ran away. It is such a pleasure to see them. Oh, there's a lot more over there. There's a big herd over there. There's a big herd in the distance. And guys, alright, so this is Stevie Walkabouts. If this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. For returning subscribers, I really do appreciate you. Thanks for coming back with me. Thanks for being on this journey with me, always. Now, I showed you the deer over there. Over here we have Canadian geese. And there they are, waddling on the snow. Alright, they were in the water here, now they're in the snow, right there. Canadian geese all over the field. Alright, all over in the distance, Canadian geese. Now normally there'll be horses. Normally there'll be horses right over there. And the horses wander all over this field here. But I guess the horses are taken inside because of the snow. And the Canadian geese are wandering the field and having a good time. Guys, it's a beautiful day here. We're in Piscataway, taking a ride around and showing you a little bit the effects of the snowstorm. Alright, we had about 1 foot of snow last night. There's still snow in the trees. And it's just nice and beautiful out here at this time. See, there are pristine stretches of the snow right there, untarnished, nice and clean. So you ever heard the term as pure as the fresh driven snow? As gives you an idea. Look at the snow, the quality of the snow. Pristine, untarnished, pure as the fresh driven snow. Alright, so that's how beautiful it is out here. So guys, I'm back in Johnson's Park. It's the aftermath of the snow. I said last night we had about almost 1 foot of snow last night. But the snow was light and fluffy, and it's melting quickly. Alright, this is Stevie Walkabouts. Guys, coming to my channel for the first time, please consider subscribing. Please like, share, and comment on my video. Let me know what you think. I want to know your comments. I'll respond to every comment, positive or negative. Walking around the river, the level of the water has risen. See, generally there isn't that much water here, but the water has risen, so it's up to this point here now. It's actually joined with the main channel of the river, right over there. This is the South Raritan River. Across the bank over there, there are ducks just resting over there. There's some swimming right over there. We're right outside of New Brunswick. New Brunswick is right there in the distance. Well, not the distance, it's right over there. You can see that's Route 18. And the cars are going by on Route 18. It's a nice day today. In spite of the snow, it's a nice day. It's a beautiful day. The sun comes out. You can come out and enjoy the sun. There are ducks out there. Remember, the ducks pair off in mating season, and they stay together for that season. So if you look on the water there is a pair going by. There's the male in front, the female right behind. The males have a sort of a green head. They have colored feathers, while the female are slightly smaller and with the brown feathers. And there they go. And New Brunswick in the distance. The snow is nice and feathery, fluffy. There's the river right there. There's a little outlet from this little lagoon into this little pond, right into the river. All right, this is the southern Raritan River, South Raritan River, flowing out into Raritan Bay. So when you come by, this is what you can see. Alright, so this is life cycle of a pond, and in the pond right here you can see double-crested cormorant, you can see great blue heron, or you can also see the eastern painted turtle. I've seen turtles here before. It's kind of cold right now, but generally in the summer you'll see the turtles all over. There are lots of turtles in this pond right here, and in the other pond there is a second pond higher up. You'll see turtles. The herons, you'll see the herons around. They look for fish and they look for food in the waters around here. Cormorants, I haven't seen the cormorants, but there could be cormorants around. We're in Johnson's Park. Johnson's Park, right outside of New Brunswick. We've been here once before, the last snowstorm. We came here and I did a video here, showed you the aftermath of that snowstorm. One thing that's done very quickly whenever there is a storm, the trucks go by and clear the walking paths, clear the roads, so that there is no interruption in movement of traffic and movement of people. So that continues unabated. It continues without interruption. They do a very good job. The Park Service do a very good job of keeping this place clear, or clearing it up quickly so that nothing stops, nothing is interrupted, and you can keep moving. Right, the water would be super cold at this time. No, you don't want to be in the water. They tell you to keep off the ice over here because sometimes the pond freezes over. I mean, sometimes it's frozen hard enough that you can actually walk on the ice. There is no ice on pond right now. Right now I'm at the river's edge. I'm at the river's edge now, guys. The Southern Raritan River flowing into Raritan Bay. And right across there is Route 18. The cars going by on Route 18. Right outside of New Brunswick. What you're seeing in the buildings you're seeing over there, and buildings being built over there. You see the cranes right over there. They're building an extension over there of the Robert Wood Johnson Hospital. I walked over there in my New Brunswick video, and there are other residences going up. Lots of the buildings you see over there are Rutgers housing and other buildings. A lot of housing, lots of students live in that area. Rutgers University. I say Rutgers is one of the biggest names you'll see in New Brunswick. One of the biggest names you'll see in the area. So I'm on this side of the pond, right outside by the river. It is beautiful and lovely to walk out here on the snow. I enjoy winter. I enjoy walking around all these places in winter. It gets very cold, but it's also very beautiful. Look at this expanse of snow. Unmoored, so it's not dirty snow because it's not quite melted out here as yet, and other folks have not come and destroyed the beauty and fresh new expanse. It's still serene and beautiful. The space is still tranquil. Very nice, very calm, very good and soothing to the soul. Come and enjoy. I really do enjoy sharing this with you. In case you're wondering, today is Saturday. All right, today is Saturday. Sorry guys. All right, today is Saturday. It's February 17th. All right, the current temperature is 33 degrees Fahrenheit. 33 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a degree or so above freezing. There's someone over there with skis on. Interesting. This person is cross-country skiing. Interesting. Person is gliding on the snow. Alright, so like I said, it's 33 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 0.556 degrees Celsius. Alright, 33 degrees Fahrenheit, 0.556 degrees Celsius. That's current temperature. That's the current temperature out here in the park. There's a flight of Canadian geese. I thought that they all went away for the winter, but they stay in this area. I guess it's not too cold for them. There they go. So we continue to drive through the park. Alright, over there, look at the snow. Fresh, nice, pristine. On the snow, you might see a couple Canadian geese. Alright, we go by. Right there, nice little gazebo. You can stop, sit down, get a rest. Take a load off those feet before you continue walking around and enjoying this beautiful park. This is another side of the park I hadn't shown you before. Alright, we're still at Johnson's Park. Beautiful on both sides. So this over here is trimmed, and the trees are spaced out, so you can actually enjoy the space between the trees here. On the other side of this road, on the other side, we're in the trees. You see the trees over here. This is the road we're on. All right, we're taking it nice and slowly, nice and easy out here. And right out there, there is, you're lucky enough, you'll see the deer around, and you'll see herds of deer walking through the woods, looking for food, looking for stuff to eat, or just hanging out, resting. It is a beautiful place, guys. It is especially beautiful when it snows like this. So come and enjoy it. You won't be disappointed. Again, we're right outside Piscataway, right outside New Brunswick, not far from the Rutgers campuses. I say everywhere you drive in this area, in Piscataway, in New Brunswick, you'll see the name Rutgers. Rutgers is the most prominent name in the area. Right, so enjoy this drive with me. There's a sign here, deer crossing. And it'll be wet, deer in the area. So you'll see deer sometimes. Most of the times you'll see deer around this area. Over here is walking trail. Mostly walking out here. Lots of people come by, stretch their legs, go jogging, go walking in this area. Take one last look. There's the snow, beautiful as ever. It's this ditch here where the water runs off. Beautiful over here, and this is all part of, guess we're just getting out of Johnson's Park. We're on, right over there is River Road. There is a river behind there. That's all on the side of the river. River is behind those trees. And again, it's the Southern Raritan River. Alright, so come, if you're in the area, stop by the park. Enjoy a jog around the park, enjoy a stroll along the park, or even a drive through the park. Right. Beautiful. Guys, I'm loving this day. I'm loving this day. I'm loving this day. Feel the snow in your hand. Make a snowball. Throw it at someone. Alright. Guys, I came over on the other side. I was in Johnson's Park. I came over to Donaldson Park. Here you'll see the size of the river, the expanse. Alright, I'm at the side of the river, the edge of the river. Looking across. Looking across. Alright, the river flows by serenely. Going down towards the Raritan Bay where it empties out into the ocean. But I just wanted to pan across here and show you the hills on the other side, covered in snow. So the houses are over on the other bank. Beautiful out here, nice and peaceful. Lots of people come out here just to chill, just to relax and see all of this. All right, in the distance there, it's right under the highway. See the arcs over there? It's like a bridge. The highway is over there. That's Route 18. Traveling alongside New Brunswick. So that's where we are, right beside the river. It's beautiful out here, guys. It's a beautiful winter day. It's a beautiful snowy winter day. Donaldson Park, right outside of Highland Park, right outside the township of Highland Park. That's where we are right now. I love the snow. It's beautiful to be out here walking in the snow, playing in the snow. Come out here with your dogs. Your dogs will enjoy being in the snow. It's beautiful out here. Beautiful out here. I thought I would see deer out here, but I haven't been that lucky. No deer out here at this time. It's a beautiful skies. Cloudy but beautiful. All right, no rain clouds. Give you a sense of the park, give you a sense of the beauty that we enjoy, the tranquility. It is beautiful. Alright guys, thanks for being with me. This is Stevie Walkabouts. Have a great day. Don't forget, as you leave, like, subscribe, share the video, and let's continue this wonderful journey together. Thank you. Bye.